2005 Nissan EXTERA remote start. You unscrew that one and this right here to remove the plastic panel, and you can wrap your missing wire right up here, or you can wrap right here at the kick panel for the starter wire ignition accessory. So it's right here or at the ignition barrel. Door lock wire, the harness come through the door, lock and unlock. And then parking light is I wrap it from the trailer harness. It's right here, red color for the parking light, and brake light light blue. Right, it's the same harness. See? So, and I wrap the ignition wire from the ignition barrel, or you can do from the kick panel. So here, it's all zip up, and the remote starter is right here.